Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I will be making my appetizer, tofu with cherry tomatoes and sauce. So this is the 2 packages of tofu. I slice in like maybe the 2 inches. And also I have this rice flour. We need to coat the tofu and we need to brown them. So this is all the ingredients. It's really not a lot of ingredients. Alright, I have also wine right here, and that's dark sauce, and broth, and black pepper right here, and a lot of garlics and onions. Okay, let's get started. And first of all, we need to dry the tofu, really dry out to the paper towel. Need to press it, that way the water will, see, they still have a lot of water. You're gonna need a lot of paper towel. I made tofu before, but it was a different one. It was a spicy. So this is like another appetizer that's not spicy. One more. You don't have to press really hard. You might break the tofu. I don't put egg on it, just flour. This is the rice flour, or also you can use cornstarch or all-purpose flour. I have few recipe for this. One of my recipe I put breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, and then egg, and I have also sauce, different sauce. Alright, one more to go. And get started to brown them. All right. Now let's start pulling them. I broke it. Stick together. Put your heat on medium. I don't think this one will work. I'm crazy. turn that over. The hard one is the first when you put it in. Oh! And you can prepare your plates with a paper towel. That way the oil will absorb. Alright, I'm done browning the tofu. So let's empty this pan and put butter on it. Forgot to mention we have 1 tablespoon of butter. So let's drop the garlic. I just add the butter there because the pan is really hot. Really hot. Then let's brown the garlic. Now let's add the tomato. And the lime. And a little black pepper. There you go. Just cook it like 2 minutes. Okay, the tofu in there. But you need to adjust your sodium, or if you are like you don't like sour, you can add sugar on it, like half teaspoon of sugar. And put your fire in a medium low. It sticks together. You just have to wait like 2 minutes and then that's ready to go, and put the onions, green onions. Alright everyone, here is my tofu with the cherry tomatoes sauce. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. And you can also share my videos to your friends and your family. Okie dokie, see ya!